Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the TEXTJOIN function in Excel. Let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns of data, and I want to combine them using the TEXTJOIN function. First, click on an empty cell and type equal, then type TEXTJOIN, then open bracket. After that, type quotation marks with a space inside them. This space will appear between each piece of text. Add a comma, and type true. Follow it with another comma. Now select the first cell you want to join, then type a comma again, and select the next cell. If you need to include more cells, just continue adding a comma and selecting the next cell. When you're done, close the bracket and press enter. You can then copy this formula down to apply it to all the rows. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.